Morning. Steve and Tina here. We just got off the bus at the cruise ship terminal. We're going to walk up to Pitillal, a few kilometres or so up the road, and we got like, I think there's about 4 cruise ships behind us.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see all those. There's one over there, one there, one there. Or at least 3. Huge big things. It's like a little supermarket. Yeah. Got nice got drinks up there. Let's use this. Yeah.
Voy a dejar que... ¿Cómo se llama? Antes de ver el
Kind of coffee, kind of 35.
¿Te ayuda?
I'll get it for free at the. I'll get it for free at the. I'll get it for free at the hotel. Oops. Oh, most probably. Smells nice here.
No, cuidado con el centro.
Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, fried chicken.
Yeah. Oh, could be, excuse me. Yeah, this looks like a nice place for later. Busy. Sorry? Yeah. Oh no, I'll just eat, thank you very much. Maybe later. Thank you. Buenos días.
Son 690 gramos.
Hola. Hola. Sorry? Oh, we're just eating, so we're just looking. Thank you. Squeeze by. looks like a nice place. Local market, hairdresser there.
Yeah, everyone is eating tacos.
Yeah.
And all the
Yeah.
fish you can get.
There we are. So, what's this place called?
It calls Los Agaves.
Los Agaves. What do you serve here then?
Well, there's like a seafood and steak and all
Oh,
that.
nice.
Where you guys come from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, but we're going to be here another two and a half weeks, so
Perfecto.
we'll maybe come here later. I was looking for this last time, it was closed, but we were here 2 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Well, now we're open, so we're
yeah.
gonna go forward later. We have dinner also, so
Maybe tomorrow,
we open
Yeah.
12 to 8.
12 to 8, brilliant.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's nice.
Everything is on the grill. You can see.
Yeah, how can you walk through? You have a garden as well? Or
We have handmade tortillas. So
oh, nice.
one of the top place
Yeah.
Mexican traditional
I
meal.
just, yeah, lovely, yeah.
We're gonna get close.
Hey. Yeah, you're in the sun as well. He's making my latte. Here comes my Bailey's coffee. Gracias. Oh wow, look at
I'm
that.
sorry, yeah.
That's lovely. No, it's fine. Don't worry. We just had a really nice coffee break with some cake in this nice relaxing coffee garden. We're in Pitillal in Puerto Vallarta, and we're going to head off now back to our hotel, go for a bit of a swim. Gracias. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye. This is Lugo's coffee. Yeah.
Thank you. Find the name of it?
Yeah, it's right on the door.
See the barbecue place here?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we just had our coffee and lunch at the Lugo's Coffee, nice little garden, and we're in the bus stop now to get a bus back to our hotel. And it's just basically we wait outside the shop, the bus comes along, we see what it says on the front, and then it says Aeroporta, we know that's going in the right direction, we just jump on and it's 10 pesetas. Really nice.